Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to remove rust from a rusty chrome bike handlebar in just 3 easy steps using Metal Rescue Rust Remover Gel. Alright, let's get started. To keep gel from drying, wrap after applying. We'll get to that a little later. Yeah, it's eco-friendly. It's made without hazardous acids. Okay, grab yourself a clean paintbrush, pop that lid, and start derusting. We suggest you wear gloves when using it. Oh yeah? Look at that. The perfect consistency to cling to any surface. Clingy. Okay, step 1. Apply the gel. When applying our gel, make sure you apply it around an 1/8 inch thick. Anything more, you're just going to be wasting it. Metal Rescue is a clean, safe, and easy way to remove rust from metal. Metal Rescue Gel only removes the rust, leaving everything else untouched, like paint, plastic, and chrome. Okay, step 2. Wrap it. To keep gel from drying, wrap after applying. Moving on to step 3. Remove it. Metal Rescue Gel will work as fast as 20 minutes to an hour. This is after an hour because of the heavy rust. You can tell that a gel's been working when it's changed color from clear to a dark yellow. Oh yeah, look at this wrap. Now that's some rust removal. Our gel is so easy to remove. You can remove it with a damp cloth or the use of a scrub pad and some water. That's it, you're done. What you're left with is bare metal that'll need to be protected. But one of the benefits of Metal Rescue Gel is it doesn't leave anything behind, so that surface is ready for the next step in the restoration process. Oh, and just in case you forgot, here's a before and after shot. Wow, what a difference. Metal Rescue Rust Remover Gel. Your clean, safe, and easy solution to removing rust on metal. Pick a jar up for yourself at your local AutoZone or order it online. Thanks for watching.